Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In today's video is very important because in today's video I will teach you how to find high growth stock in Yahoo with Yahoo Finance with a very simple stock filter. Okay, and every day we go to Yahoo Finance to see the stock analysis, or if anybody is into finance, or if you into stock market, then to see the stock data, you go to Yahoo Finance. So today I will show you how to find the high growth stock in Yahoo Finance. Okay, so be with me. First of all, you need to open a browser. I'm just using Google Chrome. You can use any kind of browser. From the search option, write down Yahoo Finance. Sorry, Yahoo Yahoo Finance, and the first result that you got, click on that. Depending on your internet connection, it will take time to load. This is the official page of Yahoo Finance. Now, as I want to see the stock, high growth stock, I'll go to screeners. I will click on equities. Sorry, I'll go to screeners, then equities. So here I will click from market cap. I will click on mega cap. So it will give me a estimated result of 199 company. Find stocks. I will double click the market cap here, and you will see all the uh, high growth stocks, Microsoft Corporation, Apple. So I need to narrow it down. So I will add another filter. I will click on sector and industry. I will click on OK. From add sector, I will click on technology. Now the result are from 199, it came down to 35. So I will click on find stock right now. So these are the stocks that are in high growth. Let me show you Microsoft Corporation, Apple. And if I click to Microsoft Corporation, then it will take me to the, you can see the stock price listed here. And if you go down, you can see the market cap. Then you can see here, yeah, you can see here the financial highlights, the valuation measures, the profit margin, return on assets, everything here. And you can see the analysis recommendation. That if you're very confused about Microsoft Corporation, you can see that most of the analysis are recommended here. They are given a strong buy. See, so through this simple process, through these simple screeners, you can easily find the high growth stock in Yahoo Finance. If you like this video, if you like video on finance, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.